Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2015 Ford Expedition and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2015 to 2017, powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine. Engine air filter is located right here. It's very easily accessible. First thing you want to do, you want to unclip it. Down here you'll have two clips to remove, so this one and this one. Now once that is done, you'll want to loosen up this screw right here. You don't want to remove it completely, just loosen it up enough so you can detach the airbox cover from this rubber hose. Okay, this should do it. Okay, now once this is nice and loose, you just want to pull this rubber hose off the cover. I'm trying to do it using one hand, but okay, that's it. Okay, once this is off the way, what I missed, there is one more actually clip to unclip here in the back, so just open it up as well. And then you just have to lift this cover a bit up and then pull it to the left side so you can get these tabs out of these holes here. And that's it. Now you have the full access to the engine air filter. Now you don't have to disconnect the MAXX sensor, that's up to you. You can just remove it this way. Okay, and as you can see, this one was not replaced in a long time. And it's also a good idea to really clean the airbox as well when you are replacing the filter. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.